In this video, I'm going to show you how to use workflows in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's head on over to the workflow automation right here. Click on it. And here we have templates of the workflow provided to us by QuickBooks. So we have plenty of workflows right here. We have set bank deposit reminder where it will automatically set a reminder for our bank deposits and can also make send open estimate reminder. So in order for us to know how to use workflows, we need to get into a template first. So click on a template that you want. For example, we have schedule and send a report. So here we will be naming our workflow. So for example, workflow report. And next is what do you want QuickBooks to do. So you want to create and send, and the report name would be, for example, expenses by vendor summary, and will automatically send reports at selected schedule starting at what date. You can set what date it is, and you can also put in of how you want this action to happen. So it is automatically set to a send a company email because it is a create and send report. So after that, just click on save and turn on, and that's about it. That's how to use workflows in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.